All right, Caesar.
Welcome to,
Adam, you ready to fly this thing?
welcome to the plane place. This is
The plane place, huh?
that's for you fly it. And watch this off.
It's coming after you. Okay, let me hold it for you. So I think we're kind of low on batteries, but
No, it doesn't.
launch it.
Look out! It's moving.
Whoa! See, I think we're winding down here.
No. Just hold it high.
Hold it high?
Uh-huh.
Okay, because you can't toss it, because this thing will get messed up
And,
here.
Puppy, get down.
Let's cut Adam's hair. Here he
You
goes.
see that? It's right.
Oh, I'm gonna crash. You're cutting the grass. Oh.
Did I really?